Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So ngayon bumalik ulit tayo dito sa may Yukon River. So ayan, kasama na natin sila Mrs. Si Raymond, kasama natin ulit si Raymond. Ayan. So tara, relax tayo sa Yukon. Hi everyone, welcome. May ibon doon sa dulo. Dami mga wild duck. Ayan sila oh. So yung tatlo. Ayan, naglalaro yung isa. Daming ano dito. Siguro tayo siya ng ano. Hindi naman moose to eh. Hindi yan moose. Amos nga. Kalat yung... Oh, yeah!
Oh no!
Oh no!
It's so messy!
No, it's fine?
The sand game is so fine.
Look at the puwet! It's so fine!
Yeah.
You're so messy! Ew! Ew! It's sand!
Wow!
It's sand! Now let's wash our hands.
Wow!
It's sand!
They're always making up.
Ang daming panggatong dito. Pero sa atin uso yung paggawa ng uling. Ang dami niyan. Ayun sila oh. Sino ba yun?
Ipit sa kuryente ko yun. Huwag ka na maghanap ng panggatong.
Sino ba yun nandun?
Yung mga estudyante nating mararangal.
What?
Gabe! 1,000 years ago, people used to
Alay naman na nararating nila.
use arrows and bows to catch fish in the Yukon River so that they live happily ever after.
Ay?
So there's a fish, Gabe.
Ay. Oh, yung salmon nahilo. It's not.
Daan, may alam na lahat ng
Oh,
nangyayari.
fun?
Yeah? Para nakalimutan niya na yung ano niya, truck niya.
Gabe, this might be a good slingshot. right? Let's make it. Let's make one. Okay. Tomorrow. You throw stones to the river.
Yeah, like this. See? See?
Langoy mo yung galit mo, sige.
See? But see? See? Look at this game, huh?
See?
Wing?
Magpadala ng inanik na kwenta. Ay. Magpadala ka?
Yeah!
Bottle.
This is the biggest paddle. Right, Gabe?
Ayun o, hatak-hatak na kasi para yan sa gitna.
Is this a crocodile?
That is gator?
Let's chase the crocodile. Oh. Oh.
Not a crocodile.
Is that a crocodile?
Yeah, not a crocodile.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, ginaw pala. Nagmapang-tapang.
Hello? Yes?
No, it's not a crocodile.
Crocodile?
It's not.
It's not, yeah. Hey, Gabe. Hey, Gabriel. Ah, meron na doon. Ganda talaga ng ilog, oh. Ganda pa ng shape ng mga ulap.
I'll try to bow you. Tamaan yung spinal. Ano kayo gawin ni Sir Benz?
Yan, ang ganda ng sikat ng araw. Oh!
I'm Grammy. I'm a Grammy.
Okay. Look at Uncle Raven. See? Gabe. Look at Uncle Raven. There's a mountain over there. Up, up, be careful.
Oh, guys.
Come over here. You want to go?
Climb up here.
Hey Gabe, come here.
Climb up here.
Yeah.
Unravel your ability. Can I climb it over here?
So ayun, pauwi na tayo. So, ganito na lang ang vlog natin ngayong araw na to.